Hi trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. This video is based on the Supertrend strategy in combination with the MACD strategy. Alright, it's a very simple strategies for beginners, very simple to use, and it definitely is profitable as long as you follow the rules. So these are two simple rules. Number one, you would need to have done some settings. Just going to remove these lines. Alright, great. So once you remove those lines, it's a perfect strategy already. So you pretty much you want to wait for your MACD to turn green for buys. So once your MACD turns green, you want to wait for a signal from your buy and sell super trend and take your trade. That was a winning trade, as you can see. Then for a sell, you want to wait for a sell on your MACD as such, and then you take a sell from your signal right here. Stop loss over there, stop loss over there, and then take profit right down here. So yeah, that is how simple the strategy is. As a matter of fact, this ranks as one of my best strategies. So make sure to give it a try, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.